Jane students, it's part A, Statistics, Chapter 6, Measures of Dispersion, Absolute Dispersion and Standard Deviation, Relative Dispersion and Coefficient of Variation. So, coefficient of variation is also known as standard coefficient of standard deviation. So, it's part 2 video. So, it's on the basis of after deleting certain portions like quartile deviation, range, mean, only this much is there for this year to be studied due to the corona. So we can look into it. The definition for standard deviation is a statistical tool which is used to measure the deviation taking from the mean value. So first, as of all, you have to find a mean. Then you have to subtract the value from the x-axis. So x column. So then only you will be getting the answer. So first you have to find a mean. Okay. So before finding the other steps, first you have to find a mean. So what are the features? Deviation is taken from mean and plus and minus signs are not included. That is plus and minus sign is not included in this, but it has been included in plus and minus signs has been included in this mean deviation, so that you don't have to study this here. So as you know, calculation, we are going to see the three series, that is individual series, discrete series and a continuous series. It's also known as frequency distribution series. So first we will look into the individual series. Question is, following are the marks obtained by 10 students of a class. Calculate standard deviation. So marks are given. You have to find a standard deviation. So as usual, we had studied in mean, etc. The direct method, shortcut method and the step deviation method. The same steps are followed here also, but using different formula. Let's see that. So formula for direct method is sigma is equal to root of sigma x square by n. So here x is to be found, that is x equal to x minus x bar. Then only you will be getting the answers. So how you will be finding x minus x bar, then you will be getting the x square in this formula. Then other formula, or it's another formula is there, that is in direct method. That's you can directly take the x-axis and you can take square, then you can divide by n, then you can take total, that is sigma x. You can find sigma x and then divide by the number of values given, then it give a whole square to it, then find the answer. So let's see how we can find. So the question is like this. The formula is sigma x square by n. So here sigma x, I had told you, you have to find this sign. You had seen the sign for the first time. So it's what is that? It's sigma. Okay, small sigma. So here you have to first find the sigma x by n. So what is the sigma x? You will be getting the total of sigma in this x column, that is 110. Then number of values, it's 10 is equal to 11. So x bar equal to, this is 11 is the answer. Then you have to subtract the each value to find x, that's from x. So x minus x bar is 11 you had found. So you can subtract each values, then you can write, that is 12 minus 11 is 1, 8 minus 11 is minus 3, 17 minus 11 is 6, 2, then 4, then minus 2, then 7, 0, 5, 10 it comes. Then next column you want is x square. Okay. So you have to square this column, that is x square. So first is 1, next is 9, then 36, then 4, then 16, then 4, then 49, 0, then 25, then it's 100. So this is the values how you can find. Then you have to find the sigma of that. So you have to total it and find the value for that. So what will be the answer? So just we can. So the answer is 244. So how will you write? Sigma is equal to root of 244 x square. You had found 244. 244 divided by n. N is 10. So 10. So answer is root of 24.4. So that's equal to, you know how to find the root. So it will be coming, that is 4.94. So if you don't know how to find the root, you just write root of 24.4. So it's enough. Okay. So if you know, you have studied in 10th standard and you can do it, then you can find the solution as 4.94. So coefficient of standard deviation, what's the formula? So it also has a formula, that's a sigma, the value that we had found, divided by x bar. So it's a 4.94 divided by the x bar is 11. So 4.94 divided by 11. So it's equal to, which is the answer, 0.45. So as I told you, we find a coefficient, it starts from 0. So 0.45 is the answer. So I had told you another formula is there, that is sigma is equal to root of x square by n minus the x by n the whole square. So here you have to first find the x square. X square means just to square the x column and write. That is 144, 64, then 289, 169, 225, then 81, then 324, then 121, then 36, then 1. Then you have to find the total of this, then write here, then number of values you have to find, then x column, the total of x column you had found earlier, the same values are there. So 110 is x, so n is 10, the whole square you have to write. So the total of this column becomes 1454 divided by 10. So here 110 divided by 10, the whole square. So it's equal to, what it comes? That's you have to take the square of this one. So it will be root of 1454 by 10. By 10 is 1454. 145.4 minus the 11 square. You cancel this, then 11 square. So 145.4 minus 121 it comes. Then it's the root equal to minus, that's root of 24.4 it comes, the previous answer. So it's 4.94 itself, the previous answer. So then you can find the standard deviation, coefficient of standard deviation, like the previous one. Hope you understood. So next is for shortcut method. How will you find so sigma equal to root of dx square by n minus dx by n the whole square is the formula. So here dx means, as you know, assumed mean. Shortcut method means assumed mean method also, as we had studied in mean. So here dx is equal to x minus a. So you have to take a value of assumed value from x. Then you will be doing the answer, that is x from x column you have to minus the a, then you will be getting the dx. So take a question from the, so the same previous question we can say take that to find a shortcut method. So first you have to find dx, so it's equal to x minus a. So here we had taken, suppose the a as 15. So we will be finding x minus a. So here 12 minus 15 is equal to minus 3. So like that you have to find the dx column. So you had found the dx column, it's minus 3, minus 7, 2, minus 2, 0, etc. So next you will be finding dx square. So it's the square of this column, that's 9, 49, 4, 4, 0, 36, 9, 16, 81. Then it's a 196. So you know the formula. What's the formula? Sigma equal to root of dx square by n minus the sigma dx by n the whole square. So you have to first find the total of dx square. So what it comes? Let's see. It will be 4 404. So it has been substituted in the formula. So root of 404 divided by 10. You know the number of values, it's 10. Divided by 10 minus that sigma dx you had found earlier, you didn't found, so you have to find the dx column, the total of this. So as you know, first you will be adding the minus together, minus signs together, then plus signs together, then you will be finding the answer for the column. So it will become minus 40. So just minus 40 divided by 10 the whole square. So you can cancel these zeros. Then what it comes, sigma is equal to root of 401 divided by, that's 10, is 40.4 minus this 4 square, it becomes, that is minus 4 square, it's a 16. So it's a 16. So you can write a 16 here. Then you will be subtracting that. So root of, what will be the answer? 24.4. So root will become, as you had found earlier, it is 4.9 for the same answer. Hope you understand. So next is step deviation method. How will you find the step deviation method? It's a sigma equal to root of sigma dx dash square by n minus sigma dx dash by n the whole square into c is the formula. So this is the question of step deviation. Income is given. What's the formula? Sigma equal to sigma dx dash square by n minus sigma dx dash by n by the whole square into c. So that's the formula. So c is equal to, here in individual series, it's a common factor. That which is highest common factor, here we can say that it's a 100. Okay, which is divisible. Okay. Dx, as you had found in shortcut method, you have to find x minus a. So here 1000 has been taken as the assumed mean. So here first minus 500 and 0, then 500, then 300. Next you have to find the common factor from this column. So you will be getting c equal to 100. So it's 100 is divisible by all the values. So 100 can be taken as common factor. So then you have to divide each value by the common factor, that is dx by c. So that's x dx dash. So first is 5, next to minus 3, 0, 5, 3 is the answer. So next you will be finding the dx dash square. So how will you find? You can just make the square of this. Then you have to find the adding value of this. Subtract total of this also. That is sigma dx dash has to be found also. So next you will be finding the answer. So you will be getting dx dash square is 25,9,0, 25,9 is the answer. So next you will be getting the total as 68. Then you have to find the total from dx dash also. Before that you can substitute the value. 68 by n is 5. So you can write n as 5. Then minus sigma dx dash by n. So it's what's the answer? Okay, you have to find, that's 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So you will be getting 8 minus 8. Then here 8 plus 8. Then it's a 0. So the answer will be 0 by 5. So 0 by 5 is equal to 0 itself. So 0 square is equal to 0. So 68 by 5 you have to solve the answer. So it will be 13.6 minus 0. 0 is the division value. So you have to subtract. So you will be, then you have to multiply by c also, that we had left. So that's into 100. So into 100 has to be put everywhere. So 100. Next into 100. Here also. Then you will be getting 130. 13.6 into 100, root of 13.6 into 100. So first you have to find the root, then you have to multiply it. So the root of 13.6 is sigma equal to, that's a 3.6878 into 100. So it will become 368.18. So that's the answer. Next is standard deviation for discrete series. So discrete series refers to series in which frequency is also given along with x variables. In this series we do not have class intervals. Discrete series is known as the frequency array also. So there are two methods on calculating the standard deviation in discrete series, that is direct method and shortcut method. So here is the question of direct method. Two columns are given and a frequency. Sigma is equal to root of sigma f into x minus x bar by n. X minus x bar the whole square by n is the formula. So here we can just write x minus x bar as x itself. So we had found earlier in the other individual series the direct method. So like that only we can find here also. So as per the formula we need a x bar first. So as you know we have to find the mean first. So sigma x by sigma fx by n is the formula for this mean in this discrete series. So how will you find that? So first you have to find the column sigma fx. So sigma f into x column that we have to do. So first is the values are, that is f x is first is 4 into 1 equal to 4, and 4 into 2 6 into 2 is equal to 12, then 24, then 50, then 36, then 28, then 16. So these are the values. So next you have to find number of value, that is n or sigma f, the total of frequency you need to find find the x bar. So 170 is the total of fx. So frequency total will be, just count and see, 1 3 6 6 8 6 8 it's almost 17 is the answer. So equal to, the answer will be 10. So x bar equal to 10 is the answer. So next you have to find the x minus x bar column. So x minus x bar, next column is x minus x bar. So write down x minus x bar. So it's a x column is size and x bar you had found is 10. So 4 minus 10, it's minus 6. So next what's the answer? Minus 4, then minus 2, then 0, then 2, then 4, then 6. So hope you understood. So next column we need is the square of x minus x bar. So it's a 36, 16, 4, 0, 4, 1636 is the answer. So f of x minus x bar is next column. X bar the square, that square we need. So this column and this f column has to be multiplied. Then the answer will be 36, 32, 12, 0, 12, 32, 36. So the total here we will be getting 160. So 160 by 17 root. So root of 9.41. The root we will be finding is 3.07 is the answer of this sigma. Then we have to find the this coefficient also. So that is sigma divided by x bar. So 3.07 divided by this 10. So it will be 0.307 is the coefficient. So hope you understood. So next is shortcut method. That formula is that is sigma fd square root of sigma fd square by n minus sigma fd by n the whole square. So as you know, here d is the assumed value mean that we have to find from the x-axis. So let us see the answer. So this is the question. You have taken the 5 as the assumed mean from x. Then the answer will be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's the D column. Then we need a FD. Okay, as per the formula we need a FD. Then FD square we need a. So next column is FD. In the FD column we have to find the D square. So what is the answer for D square that we are going to see? So 16, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. So square of D column. So that is this. Then we need a FD square column, that is F column into the D square column. So answer is 80, 90, 60, 20, 0, 10, 4, 135. So as per the formula, the total of this is 435. So 435 is FD square. So next we need the FD, the total of FD we need. So that we have to find. So first we have to find multiply FD, F and D. So what's the answer? So F and D first will be minus 20, minus 20, minus 30, minus 30. Here this is the value here and this is the value here. By subtracting these two, we will be getting 25 as the answer. Then we will be, so after solution we will be getting sigma equal to root of 435 by 100 minus in brackets minus 25 by 100 the whole square is equal to root of 435 by 100 minus, you cancel these two, you will be getting 1 by 4 the whole square, then is equal to root of 4.35 dividing these two minus, dividing these two you will be getting 0.0 0625. The answer will be root of 4.29. So after finding the root you will be getting the answer as 2.07 is the answer. Hope you understood. Students, if you have any doubt, please ask me. We will be seeing next continuous series in next class. Thank you.